Welcome to Whisker Wonders, where we dive into the fascinating world of our feline friends. Let's explore their captivating journey. From the sacred temples of ancient Egypt to the cozy corners of our homes, cats have been enchanting us for over 9,500 years. Revered as divine creatures, they have seamlessly transitioned from royal companions to beloved pets, ruling our hearts with their mysterious charm. Cats communicate in a symphony of meows, purrs, and subtle body language. Each sound and gesture is a message waiting to be understood. Whether they're asking for food, seeking attention, or simply expressing contentment, their vocalizations and movements are a language of their own. Are we truly listening to what our feline friends are trying to tell us? The bond between cats and their owners is a testament to unconditional love. These independent creatures choose to share their lives with us, offering companionship and affection. Their gentle purrs and soft nuzzles are expressions of a connection that transcends words, creating a unique and cherished relationship. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Whisker Wonders. Subscribe for more insights into the enchanting world of animals and uncover the secrets that make them so extraordinary.